everyone, this is Angel. We are from ShanDing Group. Today, let me introduce our factory. ShanDing Group is a multinational company. We are CE, ISO, EAC certified factory. We have 25 years of experience in producing those standardized excavators. Today, I want to introduce our hot product, SD15E. The SD15E adopts the latest 6S assembly technology and is the main model of our new generation 1-ton excavator. It is suitable for orchard farms, indoor demolition, pipeline excavation. The weight of the vehicle is 1,320 kg. The vehicle length is 2,818 mm. The vehicle width is 930 mm. The vehicle height is 2,119 mm. The trunk width is 1,018 mm. The trunk length is 1,200 mm. The bucket width is 3,050 mm. This excavator is less than 1 meter wide. Environmental work, super working ability, easy to climb 13-degree slopes, built-in hydraulic safety net. The excavator will not slip when parking on steep slopes. The entire excavator cover is jammed and forged in one piece, and the parking and phosphating paint process is anti-corrosive and anti-rust. The paint surface has high color and brightness, and the whole vehicle is beautiful. 15-liter hydraulic tank, external hydraulic fluid lever display. For open rain cover design, the engine adopts Kubota high-efficiency engine, optimized voltinization design, side-mounted cooling fan, better heat dissipation performance, ensuring continuous operation time. Using laser-adjustable seats. Equipped with side belt and adjustable armrests. The side-hind position key is turned on with one button to start. When the key is turned off, the entire excavator is powered off to prevent power fade. Upgrade to a new dust-proof and waterproof operating platform. Equipped with another hydraulic main wheeler, the operating lever is simple and easy to operate. Underfoot is reserved for breaker operation. The boom and arm are made of Q-sensitive thickened steel and are welded together by the robot breaker pipeline and are welded together by the robot. Breaker pipelines are reserved and stop wheelers are installed to facilitate the replacement of front-end attachments. One-piece forged cylinder with built-in Japanese NOK sealing ring. The chassis is welded with thickened magnet steel with a thickness of 120 mm and a high-strength chassis to ensure the work of the whole excavator. The overall form is reasonable design, simple and compact, and the brain components are locked on both sides to prevent the pinform rotation, reduce wear, and ensure overall strength. The whole vehicle can be equipped with operational big arm deflection, operational chassis technopic. The main chassis is 800 mm and the maximum can be extended to 1,100 millimeter. The vehicle assembly line is managed in accordance with 6S production set, from the implementation of the design drawings to the assembly of the vehicle. Integrated assembly line operations. The maximum excavation height of 15E can reach 2,800 millimeter. The maximum unloading height is 2,150 millimeter. The maximum excavation depth is 1,450 millimeter. And the maximum excavator radius is 3,150 millimeter. The minimum turning radius of the vehicle is 1,425 millimeter, allowing for greater work coverage in the smallest work environment. ShanDing Group not only provides our customer with mechanical products, but we also upgrade our products according to customer requirements. Serving customers is our belief. Over the past 25 years, ShanDing Group is committed to providing good solutions to our customers to be a more reliable partner.